How to fix unable to get the call option on TikTok. So if you're not seeing the call option yet on your TikTok app, you need to watch this video. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to get that option if you're not seeing it on your TikTok app. So looking right here on the screen is my message section. I actually entered into a message section of a chat between me and this person, and I'm seeing the call option right there at the top right corner. This is actually a new option on TikTok. So in order for you to be able to get this, you simply need to go to your Play Store or App Store. Just go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for TikTok. Get this updated. If yours says update yours. Once you're done updating it, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on open, and it is going to direct you back to your TikTok app. So right here on your TikTok app, you just need to go ahead and click on the inbox option. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. So just go ahead and click on the inbox option like this, and then go to the chat that you want to call. Just navigate to the inbox of the person that you want to call, just like this. So once you do that, you're going to be able to see the call option at the top right corner of your screen. But in my own case, it is not actually showing there. This actually means that this is still a new update and it is still rolling out gradually. So after updating yours, you just need to wait patiently for some hours or even 24 hours, and then you'd be able to see the option right inside your TikTok app. So right here on this chat as well, if you click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen like this, you'd be able to see this option of mute calls. So you can also mute your calls if you don't want to be receiving notification or ringing from your TikTok app. So you can just simply go ahead and turn it on like this, and you'd be able to mute calls from this account. So this is how simple it is for you to be able to fix that call option not showing on your TikTok app. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now do hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask the No Fix. See you in the next one.